Welcome back to the third video of 5 on CN B730 at Kev's Rail Fanning. With very little time to spare, we are set up looking over the frozen Baker Brook in Baker Brook, New Brunswick on March 15, 2025. With the warm weather and rain in the forecast, it will soon become a raging torrent. The bridge is just west of Rue Belmont, mile 12.38 Pelletier Sub. It is a fairly easy run now to Edmundston for the friendly crew and the end of their long day. So let's enjoy CN B730, Baker Brook in Baker Brook, New Brunswick. With a track speed limit of 55 miles an hour, the 190 car, 9,470 foot long and 28,420 ton B730 potash train was not long passing. I hope you enjoyed this third video of 5 of our chase of CN B730, Baker Brook in Baker Brook, New Brunswick. Thank you for watching, and until we meet again and continue the adventure of chasing B730 with Kev's Rail Fanning, enjoy and have a safe day.